Okay, everyone. In this video, I will share you about the consonant, vowels, and diphthong. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Nyoman Luciana. I'm from STBA Teknokrat Lampung. In this application, I will explain you about the consonant, vowels, and diphthong in English. It's focused in British English. Okay. We are start from consonant. Consonant is a point of the articulation, and in consonant there is seven aspects in consonant. For the first is bilabial. Bilabial is using both of lips. It is from the upper lip and the lower lip. And for the bilabial, there is three sounds. The first is b sound. For example, is speak, tumble, and down. And then the second one is p sound. For example, is speak, people, and pet. And the last is sound. For the example, male, humble, and thin. And then the second one is labiodental. Labiodental it is moving the lower lip against the upper front teeth. For example, there is two sounds for the labiodental. The first is f sound. For example, see, before, and this. And the second one is f sound. For example, very, faint, and low. Okay, we are going in the third. It is interdental. Interdental is putting the tip of the tongue between the front teeth. There is two sounds for interdental. The first is t sound. For example, thin, st, and both. And then the second one is t sound. For example, there, although. Okay, and then alveolar. Alveolar is putting the tip or front part of the tongue against the teeth ridge. There is the sound. For example, P, letter, and grade. And then the second is the sound. For example, deer, middle, and bird. And then the third is sound. For example, see, instead, and get. And then sound. For example, zoo, and easy. And then unsound. For example, night, manner, and night. And then all sound. For example, large, wolf, and crocodile. Okay, and the last is sound. Sound. For example, right, ring, and star. Okay, we are going for the fifth. Palato-alveolar. Palato-alveolar is touching the tongue to the palate. There is 5 sounds for the palato-alveolar. The first is ch sound. For example, chick, teacher, and march. And then the second one is sound. Sound. For example, C, mushroom, and rod. And then just sound. For example, jungle, gadget, and knowledge. And then Z sound. For example, vision. And then the last is yes sound. For example, yes. Okay, we are going for the sixth. It is failure. Failure is touching the back of the tongue to the value. For example, k sound. For example, cat, microphone, and cake. And then g sound. For example, Google, jungle, and move. And then sound. For example, single and sing. And then w sound. W sound. For example, wall, over, and narrow. Okay, it is the last. Glottal. Glottal is sound articulated around glottis. There is just one sound for the glottal. It is h. H. For example, hot, hot. Okay, for the consonant, we have conclusion. The first is there are 7 ways in pronouncing consonants. There is bilabial, labiodental, interdental, alveolar, palato-alveolar, velar, and the last is glottal. And for the consonant, it is about the pronunciation, not the spelling. We are remembering not the spelling but the pronunciation. Okay, we are going for the second material for the vowels. In vowels, there are 4 aspects in the vowels. The first is tongue height. It means that there is front, middle, and back for the tongue. And then the second one is tongue advancement. There is 3. The first is high, middle, and low. And then the third is lip rounding. There is spread, neutral, and rounded. And then the last is tenseness, tense, and relax. Okay. There is for the front vowels. There is for the America and British. Actually, for the America and British, they are same way, same, but just different for the symbol. For the first is E, but in the British it is more longer. E. It is long, very spread, and tense. For example, K. K. And then the second one is E. E. It is short, opened brief, and relaxed. For example, sip. 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 And then the third is A. A. It is short, opened more, and relaxed. For example, bed. Bed. And then the last is I. I. It is short, opened more, and tense. For example, bag. Okay, we are going for the central vowels. For the first is H. H. It is long tense. For example, teachers, teachers. And then the second is it is short and relaxed. For example, cup, cup. And then the third is it is long and tense. For example, her, her. And then the last is it is long and relaxed. For example, hot, hot. Okay, and the last is back forward. For the first is ooh. It is long, rounded, and tense. For example, good, good. And then the second one is it is short, rounded, and relaxed. For example, book, book. And then the third is it is long, rounded, and tense. For example, boss. And then the last is it is short, rounded more, and relaxed. For example, hot, hot. Okay, for the vowels, we have conclusion that there are three kinds of vowels: base, tongue, head. It is on the front vowel, central vowel, and back vowel. And then long sounds in British English are usually signed by colon, Okay, and the last is diphthong. Diphthong is combined two letters. The first is showing the point of the word, and the second one is showing the mean. For the example is here. The second one is a. For the example is wait. And then ooh. For the example is sorry. And then oi. For the example is boy. And then ow. For the example is show. And then air. For the example is hair. And then I. For the example is mine. And then the last is ow. For the example is call. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your attention. Hopefully this video can give your good benefits, and also it will have a good thing for you to learn more better. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye.